Emily, the caterpillar is fine. I'm at the birthday party. See you later. Yeah, that got out of hand. Once again, I got off work and I was just like, dude, I'm just gonna get it done. And all the cabinets are now out of the bus. What a mess. It is absolutely horrible, horrible mess. So now I have to get some cleaning. Let me go around here real quick. Clean up some stuff. Found some pretty interesting stuff down here. We got the old puka shell necklace, of course, because it's bust, so that's amazing. One that really surprised me was the snake skin. So I'm going to keep my eyes peeled for the really big, long, around here, they're copperheads. Yeah. Now I'm going to probably put on a mask and get rid of all this garbage in here, because it's probably nothing but like rat's nest and, you know, yucky stuff that you don't want to be breathing in. So let's do this. See what we got here. Yeah, definitely got some problems in there. And of course I need to still get the panels off the side of the bus. See what else there is. This is why I took the gas tank out. This whole back section here is all funkified. So yeah, some complicated pieces of metal there too, which will be a lot of fun trying to duplicate. But yeah, that's part of building these old cars. So that's the removing of the cabinets. I guess the next stop is to try to cut a piece of metal out and see if we can make a patch that works, and then I'm going to fire up that Lincoln 140 Pro MIG for the first time and get busy. Till later, guys.